Welcome to a new tutorial video from viewneo. Today's topic is on combining digital signage with social media. Speaking of social media, what can the granddaddy of all social media platforms do for your business? It helps to provide a connection between the customer, the content, and your company. The viewneo Facebook plugin allows you to connect your playlist with Facebook and allow your visitors to be able to see your latest update. The advantage is that the visitor can get a quick update on what's new at your company by just looking at the screen. Additionally, if something sparks their interest, they know exactly where to go to find more information. The Facebook plugin can also be used to provide your customers with even more content. For example, a photographer can display their Facebook account that showcases their latest projects. Every time something new is added to Facebook, the playlist will automatically update and display the latest content without any additional actions needed. And now the simplest part of all, how to set up the Facebook plugin. Once you've purchased the plugin, just right-click and then select Facebook from the drop-down menu. Here you can connect to your Facebook account, and then you can choose one or more pages that you've already linked to. After reconnecting to viewneo, you can decide on what page you want to use. Additionally, you also have the option of choosing your layout.